Information and Communication Technology. The Information and Communication Technology or ICT cluster focuses on computers, digital system, and modern technology. This cluster is ideal for students who are interested in programming, troubleshooting, designing digital content, or working with computer systems. Student this cluster may take detectives such as computer system servicing, programming, web development, multimedia and design networking, and digital animation. This subject teach students how to build website, develop software, manage computer networks, and create digital media used in today's technology-driven world. Students also gain hands-on experience by assembling computers, coding programs, designing websites, editing videos, and solving technical problems. In addition, they learn how to analyze system errors and improve digital performance, which are important skills in the IT industry. The ICT cluster prepares students for college programs such as information technology, computer science, software engineering, multimedia, and information system. Career opportunities include programmers, web developers, IT technician, graphic designer, network administration, and digital content creators. Students who enjoy technology, creativity, and solving technical challenge will benefit greatly from this cluster. As technology continues to grow, ICT offers high demand career opportunities both locally and globally.